This is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see all active login on Telegram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Do you fear that someone might have access to your Telegram account and read all your chats silently? Since Telegram Messenger is one of the main communication network with contacts, it is necessary to install it in our phone or computer system. But you need to know how many devices have access to your Telegram account. For this reason, you should check your main Telegram account from time to time so that no one else has access to your account. So, therefore, if you want to know how to terminate active session on Telegram or how to remove devices connected in to Telegram, you can watch this video. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Telegram. Now you can tap on the up left corner, the three lines over here. You can tap on settings. Now you can tap on privacy and security here. On security section, there's an option like two-step verification, auto-delete message, passcode, log, blocked users and devices. Because we want to see this active session on your Telegram, you can tap on devices. So here, all the active session, the devices that log in into your Telegram account, you can see here. If you want to remove one of this device, maybe there's a device that you don't know and you want to remove, you want to terminate, you can just tap on the like this, and you can tap on terminate session. Tap on terminate, so that that phone no longer log in into your Telegram account. So that is how to see all active session on your Telegram account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!